Hi everybody, great that you're back. Well, today I'd like to give you a little tip that works for me best when I'm running with my Insta because um, I don't want to take a selfie stick with me because you always have to have something in your hands and you need to put it when you do not filming. I think this mount is not that great because you cannot get the camera out. You always have to push it from the back, and then I push on the contacts, which I don't want. Otherwise, it would be a great mount, but it would be better if it's like this, so you can actually grab the camera. If it's in there, it's just in there, and I cannot grab it with my fingers. So, and if I have it with this mount mounted to my jacket, and I'm running, then I have this movement in my wing, 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 wing in my footage, and it's really, really horrible because I think the flow state stabilization can eliminate the up and down movement, but it has a hard time when you're running to move the left and side movement of your upper body. So as soon as I take the camera out of this mount when I'm running and have it in my hand, I found out that the flow state is working just great. Same thing is with the magnet mount that you have like a necklace around your chest. As soon as you are a little faster than walking and your chest goes with, you have this movement, and then you have this movement also on your clips. So of course, the best thing is to hold it in your hands. And I think the most stable access is also if you have it on your cap. But if I, only this mount could mount it to my cap, but then I either have clips of the sky or of my feet and my nose and the ground. I don't want to wear my cap, that way. I think it looks not that good for a girl. So, well, I was, trying to figure out what to do. If you buy the iPhone bundle, now you get a finger grip with this, but you cannot buy this finger grip as a standalone mount. I think this mount is great. So what I do now is I simply use a GoPro Velcro strap, and I put the mount on it like this. It's not always that easy, but sometimes it works. So I put the mount on this. I put my Insta Go in my mount, and I simply wear it around my hand like this. I can, adjust it. I can wear it. If I want to film, I just start and I hold it solid and I run, and so I don't have my hands always in the pictures. And if I want to film myself, I just turn my hand and I can film my feet. And if I put it behind me, I can film me from from the back. And so I think this is a very nice, very light, especially, and very usable way to use your Insta when you're running. You always have it like this. If you don't need it, you just have it like this, or you put it in your pocket. And that way you get real great running clips because the flow state is working, because you don't have this movement of your chest or of your hand. If you run, you just hold your hand steady, and the up and down movement is eliminated by flow state. And that way you get much better running clips, or when you're doing something faster, and you don't have to carry a selfie stick or like a handle or something with you all the time. So because that bugs me, I don't like that, having something in my hands like to hold all the time and then don't know where to put the camera. So this is a very easy thing to do. You basically can place it everywhere, and it's light, it's easy, it doesn't bother me, and for me it's a great solution to get nice running footage with the Insta360 Go. Try it. I bet you have a Velcro strip laying around, and I'm pretty sure your running footage will get much better and much more usable. And you don't have to have it on your hand. You can also just simply hold it like this if you want to, and like that and stuff like that, that you don't have your fingers in the footage. And yeah, it's a very good solution. So I hope you like this little tip. Tell me when you tried it, if it worked for you. Give me a thumbs up if you liked the video, and otherwise I see you next time. Bye bye.